happened here? You just threw a bunch of stuff on here, huh? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Thank you for tuning in today. It's Monday, and let's get right into it. Um, Let me zoom out real quick and just show you what's happening, or what I see is happening. The one thing I do like is we broke this low, finally broke this low right here. This US30. Um, so we finally got a broken low right here, right? Now, this area that it's kind of showing some support to right here, you can see this is actually the all-time high before the pandemic. So this is going to be a key area. I think we could see a big bounce right here just because of the strength of this area and supply and demand of it. But again, this is US30. This is the daily chart, so we could see, you figure from this line 2405, 24040. So you're looking at just little small moves on the daily are huge moves on the 5 minute chart, right? So I think there's a lot that could happen right here. I don't even have my shit really set up to go down to the next level, I think. But yeah, I'm gonna need to start focusing on that pretty damn soon though. Let's just draw out another level here. Something like that. Resistance, support, support, resistance, resistance, support. So there's another area right there, right? So that might be the next fall from here to here. 24,457, 28.9 up. That's 500 pips right there. Either way, we got a break right there, right? So we go down to the 1 hour. Go down to the 1 hour. And we could see, this is a daily, right? We could see that there's a huge engulfing candle right here. Boom, pushing up to the upside. Now, we can also see that there's a bit of resistance and support right here, right? A little bit of supply and demand going on right here. It's basically ranging. Now, if we go down to the 15-minute chart, let's just break down. We're in a downtrend right now, but I'm looking at it a little bit differently since I just did it with you guys. What I'm seeing right here, again, we got a huge engulfing candle out of here, right? Respect shown here at the 50 EMA, came down, higher low, higher than this low, lower high, lower low, lower than this one, higher high, and then lower low. Yeah, we're in a little bit of a funk right now. The reason I say that is we're basically ranging. And if I'm not mistaken, we got a bunch of news coming out this week. We got the chairman Powell speaking tomorrow, so we could be ranging for the day, right? But one thing that I see is big impulsive push here, big impulsive push up here, and we're seeing that price is kind of built to a support level right here, right? Like you could see the support level right here. Let's not do a ray, let's just do this. Nice little support level, right? Even though there's a nice little resistance level right here as well. You can see the support level. The one thing that I do like is that this low broke this low. I had this ILC right here on the 5 minute, and you can see it's here on the 15 minute as well. I like the rejection here, but one thing that I seen was a rejection, came back, retested the ILC, or the resistance to support, the R2S area right here, this red box. It broke through it, came back, retested it, and now it looks to continue back up. So I'm kind of stuck in a pickle right here because I do like the sell-off area, but I also see what price is doing with these big impulsive pushes. Remember, this purple is a daily level, right? This purple's a daily, this is a 4 hour. So this is a strong level right here, right inside of it. And not only did it retest the resistance to support this daily level as well, it also retested the 50 EMA. So we could be seeing the crossover of the 20 EMA and possibly see price move up because you know, price needs to retrace every now and again. It could move up, so I'm gonna wait because like to put in sells here, put in buys, because we just got to see what the market's gonna give us right now. So I'd be looking for something like this, and this is strictly because the low here, right? Broke this low here after the higher high created, came and created a lower low. So I'd be looking for something like this, possibly even something like this. You'd have stop loss tight, about 60 pips. I'd be looking for something like this. And we definitely have take profit here, but I'd be looking for something, let's just call it around here, 1 to 3 like that, in this range, right? You can see it coming down again. So if we could get a retest back up here, that'd be nice. Yeah, we got the EMA, the 20 EMA right here. So it's a big area for sure. Big area for sure. Coming down a little bit out of the zone. But if we see the reversal, if we see it come back down here and push up and break above here, we'll move our stops to break even. And we see it stop us out, come back up. Once we see it come up and then break this high, I mean, I might jump in early, hopefully not. But what I plan on doing is seeing it break above, come back and using this as support, and then we could go ahead and take the buy. Something probably like this. If you guys follow me. So that's what I'd be looking for here on NAS. If it doesn't break through this after we sell off right here. So got that one. And then let's go to NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ, it was somewhat the same thing, but look at what I had. These daily levels, this low did not break this low, right? You can see that this low is still a lower low and this is a higher low. So we go down to the 1 hour. We can see that on this daily level, big impulsive bull push, big impulsive bull push. We can see it respecting this daily level, right? Rejection, 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 and then a big impulsive bull push. Damn, wife. Um, so what I did here, same type of thing, right? We got a lower low, lower high, lower than that high, higher low, higher high, right? This high is bigger than or higher than this high. And then this low, unlike US30, came down and created a higher low, not a lower low. So I actually like this area to buy from, preferably. Even though I drew out the Fibonacci, got it here, right? We can see it respecting this ILC that's right here. Let me show you the ILC. Respecting the ILC, and this is the 4-hour level. This purple is daily. This blue is a 4-hour supply and demand area. You can see support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance again, right? So I like the sell, right? This is my sell entry where I wanted to get in at. I actually put a little sell in right here. But if it comes down and touches this and pushes back up or touches this, and because it's the same thing, right? We have another supply and demand area right here. You can see here, support, all the way down to about there, resistance. And that'll be fine, touching this little low. So if we come in here and retest this area, we'd be looking like something like this. Let's just call it 50. Then we can take this to the upside. I would say to the next high at least, to here. Something like that. Or we sell off from this area. Same thing. But again, the reason I'm looking for a buy here is because we had a higher high created with the higher low on the retrace. But we're in a tough area. I think the most clear one is the NASDAQ. So I think that's kind of where I'm going to be at with it. NASDAQ. Oh. All right, let's see. It's definitely getting that push down right now. Yeah, it's pushing down. But like I said, this right here is going to be a key area, right? I have a small little sell-in already on US30. Whoops, US30. Now we're getting into the zone. I'm actually lower. Right there. Now these are all key areas right here, right? To come in and I think I'm gonna just secure this money real quick at open. We're at a key psych level 2. All right, let's come in here. I'd like to sell off from this area. Oh, down a little bit more than I expected. Damn, I could have closed a lot later. Let me see. You see that rejection right there, right? What I was talking about? It's kind of using this as a support level, right? That's why I got out of the trade right there. It's a big rejection. Let me just move this out the way right now. See, something like that, I'm not sure I even want to take a sell. I don't know, even though we're like in a seller's market, I feel like putting a buy in, but I know it kind of be going against my rules, especially in this sell area. You know, the 1 minute looks like it's about to fly up. Have nothing in right now. Whoa. Let me see how it reacts to the 1 minute 50 EMA. If it breaks through it, then I'm willing to put a sell in. If it respects it and pushes back up, I'm gonna put a buy in. Let me show you where. See that? That little rejection right there? That's what I'm looking for. But if it breaks through here, then we know that there's a good chance it comes down. Kind of retested it. I think it is coming up. Let me see. I don't like putting in buys in this area right here, man. That's the thing I don't like. But I'm trying to trust that it retested this, but you can see it respecting this area still. It's pretty stagnant. Oh, oh. Okay, I put a sell in. I'm in sell mode right now. And I hope it breaks through here. Like I said, we've seen a bunch of impulsive pushes up. But I think, just go with what it was. This low broke below this low. So hopefully we can see the push down. Hopefully. Pushing up now. See, that's what I don't like, is it showing respect here, but it's also showing respect at this level. Low broken. So I'm trying to trust that. But that doesn't look so good. If it finishes real bullish and engulfing like that, that doesn't look so good. Yeah, it looks like it's pushing up. Like it wants to push up. All right, I like that. I like that. Let's see. See if it could come down. It's still respecting the 20 EMA, but let's see if it can come down on us. It's not breaking through there. I think I should just, I'm gonna move my stops to break even right now. I'm in at 535 and 533. I just closed some to get me back to break even. See if we could ride this thing down a little bit more. We're in a key area. Ooh, that didn't look good. Honestly, I might just get out of here because it looks choppy. It looks like it might be on some other stuff right now. Waiting for tomorrow's news. Um, and it might just be playing with us, right? Man, I think I took out that profit. I'm sorry, guys. I'm looking at my phone. It's coming all the way back up. Yep, stop me out. Yeah, it just might be that type of day. You could already see it kind of doing its thing right here. Honestly, I'm up 25 on the day. I think I might just leave it. Don't tell me it's gonna reject it again. Okay. There we go. You know what? I'll just leave it right there. Um, Damn, it looks like it might break through here though. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna try and stay away from this just because I know it could be. Actually, stuck at this little area right here, right? You see how I rejected that? might play in this area. You know what I mean? Because like it's just ranging out right now. It could come down and break all this, but I think what it's gonna do is just range out. I just put another little one in. I might regret it. Um, let's see. Damn it. It's gonna stop me out. What it might do is come up to this level right here, but I'm not gonna let it. Like if it passes this, then I'm done for the day. I'll call it at that moment. Oh, yep, I'm done. I actually had it a lot tighter. So I'm gonna call it a day right there, up about 480. Um, I think it's gonna range out probably for a little bit. Let's look at that. It's just bouncing in between here. And then just to show you what we got news-wise. So today's the 26th. We got nothing important here for the US dollar, except for Mester speaking at 1. But then tomorrow we have Chow speaking at 4:30. For durable goods orders, HPI, FOMC member Bullard speaking, consumer confidence is coming out, new home sales, Richmond manufacturing index. So I think we're just going to be waiting for tomorrow's news, basically. Then we have on Wednesday, pending home sales, Bullard speaks again, Powell speaks again. On the 29th, we have final GDP for the year. I think this is going to be big. Unemployment claims as well. And we have Bullard speaking, Messard speaking again. And then Friday to end the week, core PCE price index. Yeah, so we got a big week in terms of news, that's for sure. A huge week for news. So I think that's something we got to look out for. I think what's going to happen again is it's going to range out between these zones, and it's just going to do its thing that way. But I mean, I don't want to overtrade right now. I really don't. Um, I think I should keep it simple, keep it straight to the facts. Yeah, it's just gonna do this shit for a while, my opinion. Where's the draconian? Let's see what it's doing. It looks like it could push up. Really does. But I just know that I think we might be consolidating for what's coming. It breaks my heart. They counted us up. Yeah, before I start over trading, I want to